In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Shopify Store. If you've built your products and theme in Shopify and you're ready for customers to see it, publishing your store is a quick process. We'll move from the admin homepage into your online store settings and then turn off the password protection so your storefront is publicly accessible. Start inside your Shopify Admin on the home dashboard. This is the page you land on right after logging in. From the left-hand sidebar, look for the Sales Channels section and click Online Store. That takes you to the area that controls what shoppers see on your website. Next, open Preferences within Online Store. Preferences is where you set high-level details for your site, like your homepage, title, and whether the storefront is locked behind a password. It's the right place to finish the publishing step. At the top of Preferences, you'll see fields for your store's title and description. Go ahead and type your store name or the title you want search engines and browsers to show. Keep it clear and brand accurate. You can refine it later without affecting your products or orders. Now scroll to the Password Protection section. When you're building, Shopify can hide your storefront behind a password so only people with that password can view it. To publish your store, deactivate that password. Uncheck the option that restricts access to visitors with a password or toggle the switch off, depending on your layout. This change simply removes the lock. It doesn't delete any content. Note that if you're on a free trial and haven't selected a plan yet, Shopify may require you to pick a plan before the password can be turned off. Once you've entered your title and deactivated the password, click Save. You'll find Save at the top or bottom of the page, and you should see a confirmation that your preferences have been updated. That's it. Your Shopify store is now live, and anyone with your domain can visit it. As a quick check, open your storefront in a new tab or on your phone to confirm it loads without asking for a password. If you ever need to work privately again, you can return to Preferences and re-enable password protection temporarily. You've just published your Shopify store in a few clicks. Keep iterating on your theme, pages, and products, and remember, you can update these settings anytime without taking the store offline.